Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we will explore Meta in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 10th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access the power of AI and receive free price predictions and detailed analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 15th of January, 2025, our system has ranked Meta as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing a gain of 16.25% since we first recommended purchasing Meta 18 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.90% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we cannot confidently predict the stock's next direction, as it could move in either direction. The stock has broken the strong upward trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of increase ahead. Should there be any pullback, there will now be support at the ceiling of the current trend, which was previously broken at $711.19. This level may present a second opportunity to capitalize on a potential surge. According to fan theory, $772.71 will be the next possible peak level, posing a resistance that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 20.46% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 9.08% and 19.41%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 36.06% over the next year, with potential returns between 4.68% and 29.15%. This translates to a price range of $751 to $926.53 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline: Meta stock price up approximately 0.3% on Monday. The Meta stock price increased by approximately 0.3% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 10th of February, 2025, rising from $714.94 to $717.40. It has now experienced gains for 10 consecutive days. It is rare for stocks to maintain such a streak, and minor declines should be anticipated. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.39%, with a low of $711.33 and a high of $721.20. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by 8.72%. Trading volume decreased by 3 million shares on the last day, with a total of 13 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $9.24 billion. It's important to note that decreasing volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence, serving as a potential early warning for changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $725.01, while the lowest was $414.50. Currently, the price is 1.05%, or $7.61, below the 52-week high of $725.01, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Meta Platforms recently announced that it has achieved its longest winning streak to date, with shares increasing for 15 consecutive days. This positive trend may bolster investor confidence in the stock, potentially resulting in heightened demand in the short term. However, analysts are exercising caution, indicating that the remarkable growth phase of leading tech companies, often referred to as the Magnificent Seven, might be diminishing. Influential figures in the finance sector suggest that investment opportunities may be shifting elsewhere, such as Amazon, which could redirect attention away from Meta. In addition, Meta's decision to eliminate thousands of jobs while simultaneously hiring more machine learning engineers highlights a significant pivot towards artificial intelligence. This dual approach of optimizing operations and enhancing technological capabilities could strategically position Meta for future growth, thereby strengthening its competitive edge against rivals like TikTok. Furthermore, there remains a strong sense of optimism regarding Meta's growth potential, fueled by its financial resilience and robust market standing. Investors will be closely observing these developments, as the interplay between immediate market sentiment and long-term strategic positioning will be vital for Meta's stock performance in the upcoming months. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, January 30th, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Meta an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, January 30th, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark rated Meta as a buy with an upgrade recommendation. On Thursday, January 30th, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned Meta an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, January 30th, 2025, it was reported that Barclays gave Meta an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, January 30th, 2025, it was reported that Pivotal Research rated Meta as a buy with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Meta stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Meta. The Meta stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of corrections downward, there will be some support at levels of $705.72 and $635.70. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, December 20th, 2024, and since then, the stock has risen by approximately 22.58%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It's worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock warrants close monitoring. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggested a buy signal 33 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a buy signal 19 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average presented a sell signal 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages revealed a buy signal 47 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 19 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 130 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 123 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Meta finds support from accumulated volume at $687, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and given the healthy trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $9.87 between its high and low points, representing a change of 1.39%. In the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 2.10%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Meta, let's briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This essential metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is relatively normal, often associated with companies that have established histories or stable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 23rd of April, 2025. Analysts currently estimate earnings to be around $5.61 per share. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to guide your exit strategy. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at 687. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 4th of February, 2025, Newstead Jennifer conducted an insider sale of 905 shares of Class A common stock. On the 5th of February, 2025, Zuckerberg Mark conducted an insider sale of 362 shares of Class A common stock. On the 5th of February, 2025, Zuckerberg Mark conducted another insider sale of 633 shares of Class A common stock. On the 5th of February, 2025, Zuckerberg Mark sold 1,759 shares of Class A common stock. On the 5th of February, 2025, Zuckerberg Mark also sold 3,283 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 33.117. In total, insiders purchased 120,866 shares and sold 241,994 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $692.29, which represents a decrease of 3.5%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Moreover, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 32 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Meta presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to recommend it as a buy at this time. Currently, it is advisable to consider it a hold or accumulate position while awaiting further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 11th of February, we anticipate Meta to open lower by approximately 75 cents, starting at $716.64. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities is advisable. Do not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us when making your investment choices. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.